how Chinese language. Good day. I'm Marlon Alunsagay. I'm 31 years old. I'm married. I'm only baby boy in 6 years old. And I finished my contract in Taiwan 6 years. Take grandmother. And before my experience, from 15 years old to 24 years old to housekeeping, household. I know all around the household. And then this time I know I go to Hong Kong to work to support my family. And then I experienced to...
Tell us about your work in Taiwan.
I experienced to work in Taiwan to caretaker, care on grandmother, take care of grandmother in 6 years.
Yeah, what are your duties inside house? Your daily routine, what are you doing?
I serve my grandmother the food, and then housekeeping, and I know how to cook
Chinese food.
Chinese food.
Like what?
Like a chicken curry, chopstick, and then chopstoy. I know I'm cook noodles, mian. Chinese one is I know noodles. I finished contract in 6 years.
Okay, how old is the old woman? You said you're
85 years. From 79 years old to going 85 years old.
Okay, but she's still able.
Yes.
She can still walk.
Yes. But I should not walk carefully because if my grandmother is operation to knees.
So she needs your assistance.
No,
you always assist her.
I'm only one to...
Yeah, so every time she always needs your assistance. So aside from taking care of the old woman, of course you're doing all around household chores.
Yes.
But your priority is the elderly, the old woman.
Yes.
How many are they you are serving? How many are they in the house?
Only grandmother in 3rd floor. But 4th floor is my employer name. I have my grandmother is for children. But in the 4th floor is only one children. So I can clean in two weeks and 4th floor in 2 times.
Okay, so every day, how many person you're serving? Only the old woman?
Yes.
So alternate, you're also serving other children in other floors?
No, ma'am, because there are restaurants already.
Yeah, so that's why every other week you just, weekly you only do the scheduling to assist other children in different floors.
No, ma'am, because children is everybody to working. No person inside.
Yeah, that's why you have to wait for them. So in order to do the houseworks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but your concentration is to the old woman. You are staying together with the mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are the only housemaid. Do you have a companion?
No, ma'am, because...
You are alone?
Yes.
No other housemaid?
No, because before I go to my contract, that is a replacement. So I can finish 1 year contract because I did not finish the contract that my employer.
All in all, how many years did you work?
6 years
6 years with
Yes.
that employer.
without.
With one employer only.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let's say this time that children to take her, are you willing?
Children.
Yes. You're willing. How old?
Boy.
Yeah, how old is the child you like to
One.
take her?
Only 6 months or so.
So even infants or small children, you're willing to take her.
Yes.
So now, what are you doing? Vacation.
Justification, ma'am.
Anytime you can go?
Yes, anytime.
Okay, so you have to get yourself ready, okay?
I do my best.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.